Now, if you've ever wanted to get involved in trading but thought, I don't have the time, I don't know what I'm doing, or I don't want to sit staring at charts all day, then this video might completely change your perspective. One of the biggest misconceptions about trading is that you have to become an expert yourself. The reality is there are different ways to participate in the markets. And today I want to show you one that I've personally been using through Crucial Markets. Now, Crucial Markets isn't just a broker where you can manually trade Forex, indices, commodities, and more. One of the features that really caught my attention is their PAM account. Now, if you've never heard of a PAM account before, let me explain it simply. A PAM account allows investors to allocate capital to an experienced trader or money manager rather than placing every trade yourself. Your account mirrors the trades taken within that managed strategy based on your investment allocation. That means that you're not glued to your phone or laptop every day trying to work out when to buy or sell. Your money is working while the strategy is being managed professionally. Now, obviously, I always have to say this because it is important. Trading carries risk. Past performance doesn't guarantee the future results, and you should never invest money that you can't afford to lose. But if you're someone who's been looking for a more passive approach, it's definitely something worth looking into. Now, to give you an example, the PAM strategy I'm currently following has generated over $9,000 in profit this month. Again, that doesn't mean every month will look the same. Markets change, returns fluctuate, but seeing that level of performance really demonstrates what's possible when an experienced trader is consistently managing capital. Now, the thing I personally like is the flexibility. If you enjoy trading yourself, Crucial Markets provides all the tools that you'd expect from a modern broker. You've got your fast execution, competitive trading conditions, access to multiple financial markets, and a platform that's built for both beginners and experienced traders. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, stop trading based on guesswork. SignalPeak.io is a trading signal platform focused on precision, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clear entry, take profit and stop loss levels, structured market analysis, and channels tailored to different trading styles. Most importantly, discipline and proper risk management always comes first. Now, if you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality before making any commitment. Now, don't chase the market, trade with structure, trade with confidence. Try SignalPeak.io today. And now let's get back to the video. But if you don't have the time to analyze charts every evening after work, the PAM option gives you an alternative. Now, imagine this: waking up in the morning, opening your account, and seeing trades that have been managed overnight while you've been sleeping. That's the attraction for many investors. You don't need to understand every candlestick pattern. You don't need to spend years learning technical analysis before getting exposure to the markets. You simply choose whether a managed strategy is right for your own financial goals and risk tolerance. For me, it's about having options. Sometimes I actively trade. Sometimes I let capital work through professional managed strategies. There's no rule to say it has to be one or the other. Now, if you'd like to find out more about Crucial Markets or see how the PAM account works, I'll leave all the information below. Take your time, do your own research, understand the risks involved, and only invest if it aligns with your own financial objectives. Now, hopefully this gives you another way of looking at what's possible in today's markets. Thank you for watching. Peace.